Keeping your car windows clean is essential not just for aesthetics, but also for safety and visibility while driving. Whether you're tackling dirt, smudges, water spots, or haze, the right techniques and tools can leave your windows sparkling clean. Atino Car Care Glass Cleaner removes dirt, smudges, and streaks, leaving car windows crystal clear for better visibility. The first thing you need is a microfiber towel. These should have slightly rough fibers, which will cut through dirt and oil on your window without leaving any lint behind. Next, start by spraying glass cleaner on the car window. You do not need to soak the glass too much, just a good, even mist to cover most of the window will be sufficient. Then, take your microfiber cloth and fold it into quarters. One side will be the wet side, which will be used for cleaning, and the other side will be the dry side, which will be used for drying. Now, take the wet side and begin wiping the window using a side-to-side box method. Simply wipe in a horizontal motion, followed by vertical strokes, thoroughly reaching all edges of the window. Once done, switch to the dry side of the cloth and repeat the side-to-side box method. Continue this process on all the other windows. It works for both interior and exterior glass. Once the dry side becomes wet, it's no longer effective for further drying. In that case, unfold the cloth and refold it in a way that gives you a fresh dry side and a fresh wet side. It ensures you can continue cleaning effectively without spreading dirt or streaks. This method will give you streak-free, crystal-clear windows that enhance both the look and safety of your vehicle. Toothpaste acts as a mild abrasive, helping to remove haze, water spots, and light grime from the glass. Take some toothpaste and apply it to a microfiber cloth. Then, rub the cloth over the car window in a back and forth motion. Make sure to cover the edges of the window thoroughly. After scrubbing, wipe the window clean with a damp cloth for a clear finish. Lemon juice acts as a natural cleaner, helping to break down tough stains and leave car windows sparkling clean. Cut the lemon in half and sprinkle some salt on a plate. Then, dip the lemon into the salt so it acts like a scrubber. Gently rub it over your car window, as this scrubber helps remove tough stains. Squeeze the lemon to release juice as needed. After scrubbing, spray water over the car window to ensure all the lemon juice is rinsed off. Finally, wipe it clean with a cloth. By following these simple steps and using affordable materials, you can achieve spotless, streak-free windows that improve both your driving experience and the appearance of your car.